new to procurement and supply or you are looking to develop your existing skills, CIPS is the such a qualification that's equip you a successful career. Understand what employers are looking for actually. CIPS is an international organization. It will give you the skill and knowledge to thrive whatever stage you are in right now or position. It's an important that your crucial role in an organization means you will be rewarded. Salaries and benefits in the professions are extremely competitive. Trust us. Hello everyone. This is Kamrul Bashar Miki. I'm Managing Director and CEO of Advanced Institute of Procurement and Supply Chain. We are an approved study, exam, and global distance learning partner of CIPS-UK. We are the fame of an excellence maker, advanced specialized in providing procurement and logistics qualification and competency-based learning. We have a big team to guide you in your study, achieve your career in CIPS and unlock your potential. We are waiting to onboard you on this CIPS ship. Are you ready to fly? So don't think about tomorrow, join today. And don't be late for your career development. Our contact details here is given in the video description. Please have a look. Thank you very much.